exercise, basic moves, and yung malipatan. So, if you are engrossed with your job, busy kayo, timaba kayo, at yung sublian, you have a guide to follow. So, for 20 years, I've been working in Manila. Nagsubliak 2005. Grabe, I am more than 118 to be exact kilos. Lumaki. So, I don't know yung mga nauna na kasama nyo na nakakita sa akin. It's only now that I slim down. So, pwede kayong tumaba ng grabe-grabe, todo-todo. Pero kung gusto nyong pumayat, kaya nyo. Meron kayong guide. Okay? Yung gustong magturo ng art natin, that is also your guide. So, ganun. Remember, there was a request sa chat group natin, si Bumatay, si Reynan. Gustong magturo but I did not consent. Hindi ako nag-comments kasi una, hindi naman sinabi sa akin, nakiusap. Kaya ako nakikipag-usap sa chat lang. Pangalawa, hindi niya alam yung system natin. So, ang basic niya is coming from the Universal Martial Arts kay Edwin. Sinama ko lang sa chat group natin because of DJ. Supposedly, meron tayong laban noong May 16 last year. Nag-pandemic naman, hindi natuloy. So, ang gusto kong makuha nyo, yung system natin, hindi ko naman sinasabi na yung system natin is the best in the world, but at least we have a system. Yung concept natin is an open concept style. When I say it's an open concept style, first, you need to have a root. Meron kayong pinanggalingan. There is an art. So, yung art natin is basically, it came from Yaoyan martial arts. Naintindihan nyo ba? Yung art natin, the Scorpion martial arts, sa basic martial art knowledge in boxing, kickboxing, is the Yaoyan. Alam nyo ba yung ibig sabihin ng Yaoyan? That is a shortcut for sayaw ng kamatayan. Sayaw, yaw, kamatayan, yan. The originator of that art is Nap Fernandez. He just passed away around before the lockdown. Almost almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. And he was a genius in martial arts. He was a great fan of Bruce Lee. But he is very knowledgeable in Filipino martial arts. So, yung punches natin yung mga tinuturo natin na the way we deliver punches is basically from the Filipino martial arts weaponry. So, if you know how to use the knife, if you know how to use the bolo, that is exactly the way we punch. So, meron tayong tinatawag na bolo punches. So, yung back fist natin is, so yung hand-to-hand combat natin is striking minus the weapon. So, meron tayo nung, I just taught Castle yesterday ba? Yung tinuturo ko yung background. So, bakit natin nagpapunch ng ganito? That is actually a knife attack. Hawak mo yung kutsilyo, hindi ka naman sumaksak na. Diba? Dito naman. Yan. Okay? Nakaganyan ka. So, ito, that's it. That is a knife thrust. Are you listening? Okay? So, yung pan naman natin, pag nag-strike tayo sa pan natin is ganyan. Boom. Meron tayo yung ito. We use this to strike this one. So, boom. Yan. Or reverse, boom. So it's a long story. And then Nap Fernandez, that was before 1970s di jay nga inorganize na tiyaw yan. And then one of his senior student is Ike Amata, who came to Baguio and then teach yaw yan. DJ first nga estudyante ng nagbalin nga sikat is si Luisito Bahaghari Mateo. So DJ first kickboxer nga nagpasikat to Baguio. And then he happens to be our mentor. And he is the one who passed down the knowledge to us. So yun yung tinuturo namin sa inyo. Ayan. So it has an it originates in Jequa, Filipino martial arts. Kaya lang, there are also other techniques na hindi effective. Tinatanggal natin, pinapalitan natin ng new effective technique. Alright? Back to formation. Ready?